Hey everybody, Ginger here. So where do you like to meet people? Where do you like to connect? Where do you like to start connections? I'm going to give you 3 places that I really like connecting today. Number 1 is my own neighborhood. I am a gardener, so I'm in my front yard and I'm out and about. People comment on our house and our yard and everything like that, and it's a perfect opportunity to engage in a conversation with somebody who lives in your own neighborhood. Number 2, my local stores. I go to the post office regularly. There's a grocery store not too far away from me, the gas station, wherever it might be. I find that if you start with a simple open-ended comment, question, safe conversation point, you can go anywhere with that. I've met my mayor that way, all kinds of people who I really enjoy and appreciate in my own community, which makes me a better connector. And the third place is here on LinkedIn. I've hired 2 different coaches to help me understand it. And so one way I connect even more is to learn, which I know a lot of you do too. So in the comments below, tell me where you like to connect with people. Where do you like to start those conversations? And what kind of tools do you employ to help you be a good connector, be a better connector, and keep that growing? So have a great day. It's a great day to connect. Stay at it.